Hello there. I am Helena, and NAPO 2020 will mark my 10th year as a NAPO member. I am excited to invite you to join me for the session, What Going Digital Can Do for Your Business. In 2010, when I started my business, after moving 5 times around the world as a Navy spouse, being a stay-home mother for 9 long years, and without a single connection in my network, I realized I had to find a way to promote my business if I wanted to get clients. Fortunately, digital marketing was presented to me at my very first NAPO conference. Armed with curiosity and necessity, I learned everything I could to promote my business using the online world. And it worked. I not only built my clientele consistently from my online presence, but I also built an audience that allowed me to sell digital products, publish a book, become an international instructor, speaker, and diversify my sources of revenue. As solopreneurs, we are always wondering where our next organizing client will come from. But what if you could have a cushion to fall on? What if you could create additional streams of revenue while you establish yourself as an authority, built an audience, and promoted your business? And what if you could share your passion for organizing to many more clients than just the ones you organize privately? Well, that's what digital products such as ebooks, webinars, and courses and a strong online presence can do for you and your business. In this session, I'll share with you the opportunities digital marketing and digital products can bring to you and your business, the product creation, promotion, and distribution process, the pitfalls and what to avoid, and the tools, training, and resources available to get you started. I hope you will join me in this session at NAPO 2020 and explore the opportunities to build a long-lasting and rewarding business that includes education through digital products. I'll see you in Orlando.